Welcome to the online classes. Now we are discuss the topic of reflection of light. Reflection of light. Reflection of. In the previous lectures, we have to decide the image formations. Image formation. Image formations. We have to discuss the two images. Now we have to discuss the third image by the concave mirror. Image formation by concave mirror. By concave. In the previous lecture, we have to discuss the two images. First image is which is formed by when the object is placed at infinity and when the object is placed between the infinity and the center of curvatures. Now the when object is placed at the center of curvature, so we have to draw the concave mirror. This is our concave mirror. This is our principal axis. This is the principal axis. This is our principal axis. This is concave mirror. This is our pole. This is focus. This is center of curvature. This is our focus. This is center of curvature. Center of curvature. When the object is placed here, this is our object. We have to consider two rays. The first ray which is parallel to the principal axis. If the ray is parallel to the principal axis, is always passing through the focus. This is the reflected ray. Here this is the incident ray. This collide with the concave mirror, and after the reflection it goes to the focus. This is the first rule. And another rule says that if any ray which strike to the pole is always follow the law of reflection. Is always follow at the law of reflection. Is always follow at the law of reflection. It means this rays goes in this direction and the image is formed at the center of curvature. This is the image. This is the image. Here we can see that the location, the first we have to remember the point is object is placed at the center of curvature, the image at C, image at the center of curvature. Next point we have to remember, image is real. Image is real. And third point we have to remember that inverted image. Real and inverted. And third point we have to remember same size. Now we can understand this is our object. This object is placed at the center of curvature. This is the center of curvature. And first ray we have to consider goes parallel to the principal axis, is always passing through the focus. And the another ray which is strike to the pole follows the law of reflection, and the object is placed like image is like this. Now we can understand where the image is formed, so we have to remember that image is formed at C. This image is real, inverted image, and the same size image. It means we can see that the size of the object is equal to size of image. These are the points we have to remember for this image.